we partnered up with Elmers to do this holiday science experiment. Got some presents early here. First of, I can read. So it says, to Nick Uhas, just a few of my favorite things to make slime. Happy holidays from It's Christy. Well, thank you, Christy. All right, let's see what's inside the box. What if you got the gift of slime this holiday? Well, I'd be super stoked because we're gonna do an awesome experiment with whatever's inside this box. Oh, bubble wrap! Christy, you're the best. Ooh, oh, little squishy piggies. Thought that was a blobfish. It's actually a unicorn. Got some glitter glue. Ooh, metallic glue. Thank you for the shaving cream. More glitter glue, hot pink. Oh, there's so many cool things in there. There's a pineapple in there. More beads. A lot of magical liquid down here. Crunchy slime activator? Yo, it's just getting crazy now. All right, that's all the stuff that we got in the holiday box. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some slime, and then we're gonna do a really cool science experiment with everything that came in this box. Oh man, that's really good glitter glue. You know, this is all of Chrissy's favorite things from her channel, so you guys should go over and check out Chrissy's channel. So if you guys like slime, go over to Chrissy's channel. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of the shaving cream. This is the craziest concoction I think I've ever made.
Literally everything that's on this table is just gonna go in this bowl.
Oh, it's in there now. All right, let's add our Elmer's magical liquid.
Oh gosh.
By far one of the most fun experiments I think I've ever done. Slime making time. Oh, that is not the color that I thought this was gonna turn. So we have some more Elmer's glow-in-the-dark glue, and we're gonna go ahead and throw that in here so we can get it to be more firm. We're definitely achieving a rainbow color here. This is pure happiness. We added so much magical liquid, it's just so firm. Very slimy. What is that, a birthday candle? So for the next step of this experiment, what I wanna do is I wanna see what we can make with liquid nitrogen and slime. For the first item, I'm thinking we're gonna make a hammer. Don't try this at home. So I'm gonna kind of make the shape of the hammer first. It's gonna be the head of the hammer. I wanna give it a nice little flat surface like that so that I can actually whack. I'm kind of liking that. It's a good hammer. Okay. All right, so, oh man. It immediately did not work. Oh.
No! Floppy mess.
Maybe it'll just be more like a club. Ah, a handle. I'm just gonna drop the whole thing in there. Let me get some tongs. All right, well that's looking pretty decent. Oh, it's very hard. I mean, it's not the best hammer I've ever seen. Okay, let's see if this works. I mean, look, the first ever liquid nitrogen slime hammer. You gotta give it to me. I mean, come on. We just hammer that nail in. Oh, it's not quite done yet.
For 10 more minutes.
Yep. Gotta put it back in the liquid nitrogen oven. Gotta firm up the head of the hammer there. All right, see if we can. Ooh, very hard. Oh no! Okay, I wouldn't sell these at the hardware store. If you look on the inside, it's definitely frozen on the outside, but on the interior, there's still a lot of, I mean, that is just regular slime now. So like if we were to do this before the liquid nitrogen, right? And we got it that far in there. That's pretty good. So that was the first ever liquid nitrogen slime hammer. For our next item that we're gonna make out of slime is a Frisbee. So I don't think I need as much slime. Now, because if you try to throw the slime just like this, you're not gonna get anywhere with that.
A mold, I see.
Jam it in there. All right. I'm gonna throw it. Caleb's gonna catch it. Look, the edges are good. Getting there.
Ooh.
Oh!
Wow.
That's really good.
It's very circular.
I think you're gonna need gloves, but let's throw it in the backyard.
Ow! No! Still throwable.
We can make another one easily. All right. If Kaleb catches it once, it's a successful slime Frisbee. That's the parameters that we're setting. Ooh, it just slid right out. All right, there we go. Frisbee number 2. First ever slime Frisbee. Let's start small.
Oh no! It survived!
It like literally broke out of my hand. All right, for our very last test, we're gonna see if we can make a slime slingshot. Let's give it a shot. Let's give it a slingshot. Yeah! So I wanna make the thing, you know, we're holding it back. This is the little trap, if you will. I'm just gonna put a little hole right here. All right, there's nut number 1. And now we just need to make the actual slingshot. So this will be the bottom T. I think this could maybe work. Let's give it a shot. All right, let's see if we can tie this on here real quick. The first ever liquid nitrogen slime slingshot. First thing to ever be slingshot. A little piggy that came with it. All right, let's do it. Let's see if this works. Oh! No! Back to the freezer.
It's time for surgery.
What I need is like that. I'm just gonna wrap this around there. Good thing that slime is pliable. I totally just wrapped it. I think it's pretty good. Feels more sturdy, more reinforced. Here we go, Slingshot 2.0.
Jeez.
We really want to make sure we maintain the inner glue core, but we have enough flexibility to sling this shut. I feel like this is actually gonna work.
So intimidating, to be honest with
There we go. What? I literally fired that across my backyard. Okay, so we have successfully created the first ever deep frozen liquid nitrogen slime slingshot.
Oh!
It's really good. For the last test, I'm gonna see if we can get some accuracy. I'm gonna see if I can hit the Elmers what if box.
Oh my god!
I mean, first try! A legend of his own backyard. Let's see if I can go further.
Oh! Did that go in your neighbor's yard?
Oh! Yeah! Wow! Slime slingshot is insanely accurate. Across my entire backyard, I hit the Elmer's what if box. All right, there we go. We were challenged with what if you got the gift of slime for the holidays. And so we made a bunch of slime and then we froze it in liquid nitrogen and made a hammer, a Frisbee, and a very functioning, awesome slingshot. Make sure to follow the hashtag Elmers what if. And let me know in the comment section below, what other things would you make with liquid nitrogen and slime? If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you really soon.
Ooh.